Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Greeting Circles. So, boys and girls, we're going to re-sing a song that we sang last week. It's called If You're Clever and You Know It. So, remember that word that we talked about, clever? Do you remember what it means? Can you tell the person next to you? All right, boys and girls, clever means that you're quick to learn and understand. So, boys and girls, you guys are all so clever in my classroom. You guys are all so quick, and you guys are so quick to learn and understand. And not only are you quick to learn and understand, you like learning. Okay? So, boys and girls, let's go ahead and sing our song. It's to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. If you're clever and you know it, point to the color red. If you're clever and you know it, point to the color red. If you're clever and you know it, then your brain will help you show it. If you're clever and you know it, point to the color red. If you're clever and you know it, point to a triangle. If you're clever and you know it, point to a triangle. If you're clever and you know it, then your brain will help you show it. If you're clever and you know it, point to a triangle. Boys and girls, you can add your new a new verse to this song. If you're clever and you know it, what do you want to find? Okay? So you can keep singing that song. Hopefully you can sing it throughout the day when you're outside doing outdoor play or indoor play or at your virtual stations. Today, boys and girls, we're going to continue to learn about your thinking abilities. Okay? So we're going to practice the pretzel. I want you to turn to someone and I want you to practice the pretzel with them. Okay? So let's do the pretzel. Let's see. We're going to hold our fingers, our palms face to face, and then we're going to, put our fingers in between, which is kind of hard for me today. And then we're going to close them, and then we're going to bring our, turn it up, and we're going to turn it up and bring it to our chest. And that is the pretzel, boys and girls. All right, boys and girls, I want you to tell me, when might there be a time when you might need to use this pretzel? Calming strategy. Can you turn to the person next to you and tell them, when might you use this calming strategy called the pretzel? That's right, boys and girls. You might use this when you're feeling sad, when you're feeling frustrated. That's right. When you're feeling angry, okay, or mad, okay, or maybe you don't want to be bothered. Maybe you are tired, okay? You can use this calming strategy to help you calm down and come back to and focus, okay, on what you need to be doing, okay? So, boys and girls, I have a book right here. We read this book before. That's right. Schubert is a Star by Becky Bailey. Do you guys remember this story? All right. Can you turn and tell someone what this story was about? Can you tell them what the story was about? Yes, it was about Schubert. It was about Schubert having a very bad day. He was mad. He went to sleep mad. And guess what? He woke up the next day mad. Okay? And he went to school mad. Okay? So, did Schubert did he learn a calming strategy to help him overcome being mad? Tell the person next to you. That's right, boys and girls, he did. Do you remember what strategy his teacher taught him? If we go back right here in the story, what were some things that he did to show that he was mad, boys and girls? Yeah, he was so mean to his friends at school. He was. When he went to school mad, he trapped Etta, his friend Etta, right here on this page. I found it. Okay? And then over here, when the cricket was doing his job as the class greeter, Schubert didn't even say, he just said whatever. He didn't even speak and say good morning. Okay? Or share a butterfly handshake. Okay? His body was tense and it was showing that he was angry. He had angry hands, angry shoulders, and an angry face as well. So do you remember what strategy his teacher taught him? Can you tell the person next to you? Remember, she helped him go from bug crazy mad to caterpillar calm. That's right, boys and girls. And she even had a bottle. Yes, she had a bottle of what do you know what this cream was? It was Bye Bye Cranky's cream. That's right. And she gave him some cranky cream to take, yes, and rubbed it on his hands. That's right. And so I have cranky cream right here. And in our classroom, we have cranky cream as well. So if I show you right here, Miss Bookbinder, yeah, she had 3 bottles of lotion on the shelf. And one of them was boo-boo cream, cranky cream, and concentration cream. And right now, Schubert, he needed the which cream? The cranky cream, because he was very, very cranky. Okay? So after she gave him the cranky cream, that's right. Then she taught him the strategy. Okay? She taught the boys and girls the strategies while he was just at his desk right here. So he didn't want to join in, which was okay. But then finally, he came over and she taught him 3 ways to turn bug crazy mad into caterpillar calm. Okay? Do you remember? She taught him the star. That's right, boys and girls. Okay, and boys and girls also. Etta, when Schubert was mean to Etta, and he had stepped on her and wouldn't let her up. Let me see if I can go back to that. Oh, it's right here on this page. I'm right here already. Yeah, Miss Bookbinder, the teacher, helped her use her big voice. That's right. She said, Etta, use your big voice and walk toward Schubert. Yeah, and she did. She used her big voice to tell Schubert what she wanted. Yes, she did. She did it. She was so proud of her. So boys and girls, you can use your big voices too. Okay? And so I want you to know that Schubert had a oops, and you can use cranky cream, or you can use your calming strategies to help you calm down and to focus, okay? So, boys and girls, I want to tell you that leads to our commitments, okay? So let me close the book. That leads to our commitments, boys and girls. So let me show you our commitment box right here with our names in here. Boys and girls, this week, our commitments is to listen to other people's big voice. Okay, do you remember we did that on Friday? So that is your commitment today. So let's go ahead and say our commitments. Just like Schubert, it was helpful to calm down first if you are upset. So first, if you're upset, make sure you do a calming strategy, okay, before using your big voice. Are you willing to be a star so that you can hear other people's big voices? Yes, say yes, I'm ready to be a star so that I can hear other people's big voices. All right, let's go ahead and say our commitments. Natasha, can you say, I will listen to others' other people's big voice today? Javier, can you say I will listen to other people's big voice today? Hillary, can you say I will listen to other people's big voice today? Vivian, can you say I will listen to other people's big voice today? Lauren, can you say I will listen to other people's big voice today? Joelle, can you say I will listen to other people's big voice today? Leah, can you say I will listen to other people's big voice today? Hamina, can you say I will listen to other people's big voice today? Lorenzo, can you say I will listen to other people's big voice today? Abel, can you say I will listen to other people's big voice today? All right, boys and girls. Thank you for committing to listening to other people's big voice today. Okay, morning message, boys and girls. Morning message. Okay, I'm going to say our morning message. Let me turn this back over. Our morning message, and I want you to use your sensational sense of hearing to listen very carefully to the morning message. Are you ready? Listen. I can think. I can think. Okay, listen carefully as I say it again, pausing between each word. While I pause, I want you to count the words. You can use your fingers. Yes, you can. I can think. Let's say it again. I can think. How many words are in that sentence? Show me with your fingers. That's right, boys and girls. 3. I can think. There are 3 words in the sentence, I can think. Okay? So now I'm going to write those words. I can think. Okay? So now, boys and girls, let's say the sentence. I can think. Say it again. I can think. Now you say it by yourself. Good job, boys and girls. All right, boys and girls. So now I want you to look at my sentence. I want you to look at the letters in this sentence. Okay? And as you look at the letters, I want you to find the letter C in this sentence. Can you find the letter C? Okay, do you know where it is? That's right, boys and girls, it's right here. This is the letter C, so I am going to circle it. Can you say letter C? All right, good job. Can you make the letter C in your hand? Can you make the letter C in your hand? So here's our hand, and let's make the letter C. Start at the top, around, up a little bit, all right? All right, boys and girls, well, that was so much fun. I really enjoyed Greeting Circle today. I will see you later. Bye-bye.